When managing material supply across multiple plants, one of the toughest challenges is knowing when and how much to reorder. Until now, producers had to call each plant, manually collect demand and stock levels, and enter that data into spreadsheets, a time-consuming process that slows you down. Now, with Material Supply's new reordering process, scheduled loads, you can view all your plant demand and stock levels in one place and automatically generate the orders you need, helping you to make smarter, faster ordering decisions so you can stay focused on meeting demand, not managing supply. Let's take a look. First, you'll need to open Command Cloud's admin app and go to the Inventory Product Editor. Now select the product you want to manage. In this example, we'll use cement. Turn on order scheduling and set your default load size. Within the Inventory Settings tab, configure your safety stock, reorder point, and max inventory amounts based on your operational needs, then click Save. This ensures the system knows when to recommend new loads to keep your inventory right where it needs to be. Next, in Material Supply, go to the Inventory Overview page to see the demand for each product. Note the date filter in the upper right corner and the plant, material, and type filters across the top of the page. Press the down arrow to get a detailed view of the material. Click the drop-down for each plant, and here you'll see the Scheduled Loads button. This will show you suggested loads to offset your outgoing demand and keep your inventory balanced at the configured green line. You can add loads individually by pressing the plus button next to each load, or schedule all suggested loads at once by clicking the plus button at the top. After selecting your scheduled loads, you'll instantly see how these loads will impact your inventory, helping you stay proactive and avoid stockouts or overstocking. From here, go to your dashboard and add the Inventory Scheduled Loads widget. This will give you a complete view of all the loads you have scheduled. To share or track these loads externally, click the three dots at the top right and select Download to export your data into an Excel sheet. That's it! What used to take multiple phone calls, manual calculations, and spreadsheet entries is now automated, visual, and just a few clicks away. Material Supply's Schedule Loads helps you make smarter, faster ordering decisions, so you can focus on keeping production moving. Scan the QR code to learn more about Material Supply or reach out to us with any questions. Thanks for watching.